Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's July 4th, and I thought what better way to celebrate other than fireworks, burgers, and beer than to install some car parts. So, and we're not going to combine those things, but today I have a BFI shift knob that I had ordered for this car. It took forever to show up here, and I had gone back and forth about installing it. Mainly due to the fact that I wasn't sure if I wanted to go the short shifter route or just keep what I had. And so after a while, I decided I think I'm just going to keep the stock shifter, install a different shift knob, and do some solid shifter bushings. So that'll be in a later video, but for now, we'll get the shift knob in there and go from there. Okay, and just so you know, I made that look way easier than it is. There's two tabs, so when you go to take this out, take your thumbs, kind of put it in the leather, feel for those two tabs, push forward, and then pull up. Should come right up. I am trying to get this apart, and I don't have the right tools to do it. That's okay. Oh, I probably should have put that into neutral. Good gravy. Throw a little Allen key on there. Stupid as it looks, it might just work. Try not to destroy my shifter in the process. There we go. I basically just loosened that up enough where I can slide this off. We're getting rid of it, so it doesn't really need to stay. What we do need to keep, however, is the trim. So we're going to have to be super duper ultra mega careful with that. Okay, well, let's go ahead and start taking this guy apart. So I went ahead and started to just kind of peel it by hand, slowly but surely. And just gotta take your time with it, man. Gotta take your time with it. It's actually coming off pretty easily, but again, just gotta take your time with it. There's like a lot of these little glue patches that they put around here, so I have no reason to own it anymore. Cool. All right, so now we have our trim pieces. I am going to take this opportunity to try to clean this up a little bit because it is full of human slime. I also have a new shift boot to match the interior there, so I haven't actually messed with it. Barely took it out of the package. I got this from Stitch Boots. If you're looking for a boot, hit them up. Because actually, this really ain't all that bad. So, the fun part is going to be lining this all up and making it work. All right, now before we go ahead and just start tightening this up, if I have learned anything at all from installing shift knobs in the past, do yourself a favor. Go get literally any kind of blue Loctite. This is from Amazon. It's Bond Tech, whatever. There you go. It was the cheapest thing I could find. Put this on, for the love of God. Because you're going to be in the middle of traffic, go to shift into second. Maybe you're downshifting into second. And all of a sudden, plow, your freaking shift knob comes flying off. So that's what happened to me in my Rabbit. And it never quite went back on. So I was just kind of shifting like that. So do yourself a favor. Don't be stupid like that. And learn from your mistakes. Put that in very carefully. And guess who was stupid? Oh, there we go. Aha! Science, bitch. Okay. Click this back in. Maybe do it from the top. Nope, I want to do it from the bottom. Okay. Nice and gentle. Okay, so thanks to my awesome wife who was able to figure this out, we finally got everything snapped in. Essentially, the clip on the left, the two clips I told you about in the very front, the one on the left was bent in a little more than the one on the right. And so because it's plastic, you just got to be patient and you got to be careful. So just kind of worked it in and now it's good. And this feels way better. I mean, I know it's the stock shifter, but the shift knob already has made a difference in just the mechanical feel for this. So go for a little test drive and see how it feels. I almost forgot the most important part. Ooh, see if I can get that to focus. The new coin. So let's go ahead and get that on. Bam. Go ahead and slap that on nice and straight. Beautiful. Yeah, it definitely gets rid of the kind of tractor gear feel. I haven't even put in any solid bushings or anything, and already the response is way better. Just kind of amazed. I mean, really, it's just a shift knob. It's not even that big of a change, but man, just maybe it's that lower center of gravity or something on it. But I have way better control over my shifts. Way better control. All right, here's the final verdict. I like it. And I like it a lot. I like it so much that I can't even imagine ruining that experience with a short throw shifter. So I'll be honest with you. If you have the money and it's burning a hole in your pocket, go get the shift knob from BFI. Again, not sponsored, just purely my experience. But it has already locked up the shifter the way I want it. I think I'm still going to do the bushings anyway, because I don't think that's as invasive as a short throw shifter. But I'll be honest, this is way better. So that's my verdict. And I hope you enjoy the video. And I hope you have a great 4th of July.